guys, welcome back to my channel Be Your Best Beautiful. I hope you guys are doing good and you guys are safe at your homes. So today I'm here and I'm going to share some of the products which I've emptied, and this is going to be the part 2 of my product empties. So if you guys have missed part 1, I'm going to link it right here for you guys to see, so definitely check that out. So let's see the products I've emptied so far, and I'm going to mention a mini review for each product, and I'm also going to tell you guys if I'm going to repurchase the product or not. So let's quickly start with the video. So the very first video is this toothpaste. Now this is the multifunctional toothpaste and this is from the brand Miniso. Now a lot of you might have already known that Miniso is an amazing brand, and yes, they do have skincare as well as dental care products too, along with other makeup and decor products. So this one I got from Miniso, I think in December when the situation was a bit normal. So I got it and I've been using it. If you can see, it's an amazing toothpaste, guys. It's mentioned that it's a charcoal teeth whitening toothpaste. Trust me, this toothpaste works really well, and this is not even expensive. This is only for 90 rupees, guys. So I love this toothpaste, and yes, I'm going to repurchase this particular toothpaste for myself. Next up is another product, is the Clean and Dry. It's basically your intimate wash. This is basically for females. Lately I have learned and realized that we actually don't need intimate washes for ourselves, because the normal soap can do the same thing, so we really don't need intimate washes. But I got this product and I've actually really liked this product. It has a beautiful fragrance and it's best to use during your periods or on a daily basis also. So I do not have any complaints with this product, but then I am not going to repurchase this product because now I know it's not a product that we should use. You can use normal soap or body wash for the same. Next up is a purifying neem scrub. Now this is from the brand Himalaya. Frankly speaking, I got this product because I was traveling somewhere last year, and I did not really like the product. It's kind of very slimy when you apply. I don't know why. The scrubbing part is decent. It's not that good. The scrub particles are very gentle, and it's kind of slimy, so I'm not going to repurchase this product. Next up again is a face wash. It's from the brand Biotic. It is their Bio Papaya face wash. Now guys, this face wash is amazing. This basically has little small scrub particles and they work so well. It makes your skin very soft, and it does give a brightening effect too because of the papaya in there. I mean, I love this face wash, guys. I'm definitely going to buy. I think I go back and I buy this face wash all the time, so I'm definitely going to buy this face wash. Next up is this is basically from the brand Blossom Scorcher. Now this is their 3-in-1 Orange Blossoms body wash. The reason 3-in-1 is because you can use it as a body wash, as a shampoo, and also as a face wash. I found this product very interesting, and that is why I got it. Now Blossom Scorcher is a very nice brand and they use all natural ingredients in their products. The cleansing part was very good. I have actually used this as a shampoo. Also my hair felt very soft, and also as a face wash it did a decent job, so no complaints with regards to that. But this product does not have any sort of fragrance. I mean, the fragrance which it had was not very pleasant, and for me as a person, I love body washes with a good fragrance, so I'm not going to repurchase this product. So that's that. So next up is a roll-on deodorant, and this is from the brand Avon. Now this is their Avon Imari Corset roll-on deodorant. Now if you guys know, the Imari variant of Avon is amazing. They have amazing perfumes too. also the normal deodorant, the spray type, and also the roll-on deodorant. Now I've been using it from quite some time and I've already finished this product, and this has a beautiful perfume like smell, guys, and also it stays for straight 12 to 13 hours, which I really like. So I'm definitely going to repurchase this product. If not this variant of Emari, I'm going to purchase another variant, but definitely going to buy this roll-on deodorant because it's amazing. Next up is a product from Nat Habit. Now this is their Fresh Daily Upton. Now I've actually got so many products from Nat Habit. In fact, I have a video in which I have reviewed the products of Nat Habit, and if you guys wish to see, I'm going to link it right here. So this is one of the daily Uptons which I absolutely love from Nat Habit. Nat Habit is basically a fresh skincare brand. They produce their products using only fresh kitchen ingredients. They do not use any chemicals, and that is why their products last only for a month. So if you see all of their products, the manufacturing and expiry date is just 1 month apart. So I'm going to definitely buy more of the Uptons from Nat Habit because I love them. They work so well and they are all natural, so I love it totally. Next up is a lipstick. Now this is from the brand Miss Claire. Now this is their Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream. Now guys, Miss Claire is an amazing brand and their soft lip creams are to die for. This is in the shade 13. It's a beautiful pinkish nudish shade and it's amazing, guys. I think it's very affordable. I'm definitely going to repurchase Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Creams, and this shade is such an ongoing everyday shade. I'm going to purchase the same shade again. So that's Miss Claire. Last but not the least is a product from the brand NYX. This is basically their makeup setting spray. It gives a beautiful matte finish. Now this makeup setting spray is slightly expensive, but it does a beautiful job, guys. Your face looks so amazing when you apply it. Once you are done with the makeup, you just spray a bit of this and your face looks amazing. I think it's a beautiful product and I'm definitely going to repurchase this product. Right now I've actually reused it as my sanitizer spray. So if you see, this is the sanitizer here. So yeah, I washed the bottle really well. I dried it and then I put some sanitizer in it, and this now works as my sanitizer. It's so handy, guys, and since it had makeup product before, the cap and the fitting is amazing, so this does not get spilled anytime. So yeah, I think that is it for today, guys. I hope this mini review is useful for you, and if you like this video, please like the video, please share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you guys next Saturday. Till then, take care. Bye.